Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A12s and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the Pro, so let's pick it. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the left. The first one button here allows us to control the ISO, so the camera's sensitivity to light. And as you can see, we get access to this slider. We can make it less sensitive from 100 and more sensitive to 800s. So I think this spectrum is enough, like this kind of camera. We can easily go back also to auto ISO by tapping on this manual button from the right. Now let's move at the center to the next one parameter, the white balance. Here we can manage the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. By using this slider and going to the left, we can make our picture more cold, more blue. By going to the right, we can make it more warm, more orange. So this is kind of balance between the warm and cold tones of our picture. And of course, here also we can easily go back to auto settings by tapping again on manual button from the right. And let's move to the last one option. Here we can manage the exposure compensation, so the light of our picture. We have kind of different slider because now at the center we have 0 parameters. By going to the right we can make our picture more bright. By going to the left we can make it more dark. And to go back to auto exposure compensation, we have to slide again to the center to 0 parameter. Now let's move to the right corner button. Here we can pick also the metering of our camera. We are on center weighted. We can also change it to spot 1 and the matrix. So for now let's stay, for example, on spot. Let's adjust the exposure compensation on a little bit brighter. Then white balance, maybe colder one. And the ISO 400. Let me take a photo, and to see it we have to go to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery. So this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.